Italy's Amalfi Coast is home to some of the world's most beautiful and iconic lemon orchards. The Amalfi Coast produces world-famous lemons, celebrated for their exceptional aroma and flavor. Spain ranks among the world's leading producers of premium quality lemons.
Turkey's Mediterranean climate creates ideal conditions for growing premium lemons.
California is one of the world's largest producers of high-quality commercial lemons. Italy's Amalfi lemon is world-famous for its exceptional size, fragrance, and rich citrus flavor. California's Eureka lemon is one of the world's most widely cultivated commercial lemon varieties. Spain's Primo Fiore lemon is prized worldwide for its abundant juice and premium export quality. Turkey's Interdonato lemon is renowned for its early harvest and excellent fruit quality. India's Kagzi lemon is valued for its high juice content and year-round commercial production. Lemons are naturally rich in vitamin C, making them one of the world's most valuable citrus fruits. Vitamin C from fresh lemons supports the body's normal immune function. Lemons contain natural antioxidants that help protect the body's cells. Fresh lemon juice delivers a naturally refreshing citrus taste. With every sip, rich flavor and abundant juice make lemons one of the world's finest fruits for premium juice production. Spain is one of the world's leading producers of premium lemons and citrus juice. Italy combines generations of citrus expertise with advanced food processing technology. Advanced automation allows millions of bottles of lemon juice to be produced with remarkable consistency. Brazil's large-scale citrus industry supplies premium juice products to markets around the world. Welcome to the NECTIVO Lemon Juice Factory, where the journey from fresh lemons to premium juice begins.
Every production day begins with freshly harvested premium lemons, arriving from carefully selected orchards.
Every crate is carefully unloaded to preserve freshness before processing begins. Only perfectly ripened lemons continue to the next stage of production.
Intelligent optical technology grades every lemon with remarkable speed and accuracy. A multi-stage washing process removes dust and impurities while preserving the fruit's natural freshness. Powerful filtered air prepares every lemon for precise juice extraction. Precision cutting ensures maximum juice extraction from every perfectly ripened lemon. Gentle extraction releases fresh lemon juice, while minimizing bitterness from the peel. Fine separation removes seeds and unwanted pulp, while preserving fresh citrus flavor. Freshly extracted lemon juice is collected for the next stage of premium processing.
multi-stage filtration creates a smoother and cleaner premium lemon juice. The balance tank ensures a stable and continuous flow for the next processing stage. Carefully controlled pasteurization protects both product safety and natural citrus quality. Rapid cooling preserves the fresh citrus character before storage. Temperature-controlled storage keeps every batch fresh until automated bottling begins. Every bottle is sterilized to ensure a perfectly hygienic filling process. Every bottle receives the exact amount of premium lemon juice. Precision capping protects freshness by creating a secure, airtight seal. Precision labeling gives every bottle a professional and consistent appearance. Every bottle receives a unique code for complete quality traceability.
Every bottle receives a tamper-evident safety seal before final packaging.
Automated packing prepares every carton for safe transportation across the world. Robotic precision builds stable pallets ready for global distribution. Every finished product passes a final inspection before leaving the factory. Every finished carton is carefully stored until it begins its journey to customers around the world. Every shipment leaves the factory carrying premium quality to destinations around the world. Global logistics connect premium lemon juice with consumers across every continent. From orchard to retail shelf, every bottle reflects uncompromising quality. After an extraordinary journey, every bottle is ready to reach its new home. From the world's finest lemon orchards to every refreshing glass, excellence lives in every drop.